Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Intelligence for All. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. This can come from a variety of sources, such as investments, rental properties, or royalties. Why is passive income important? There are many reasons why passive income is important. Here are a few. It can help you achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom is the ability to live your life on your own terms. Passive income can help you achieve financial freedom by allowing you to live off your investments without having to work a traditional job. Once you start earning enough from your passive income, you can quit your 9-to-5 job if you want and pursue your passions. It can reduce your stress levels. When you have passive income, you don't have to worry about making money every month. This can reduce your stress levels and allow you to enjoy life more. It can give you more time for the things you love. When you don't have to work a traditional job, you have more time for the things you love. This could be spending time with family, traveling, or pursuing hobbies. It can create a legacy for your family. Passive income can create a legacy for your family by providing them with financial security for generations to come. How to generate passive income? There are a few different ways to generate passive income. Here are a few ideas. Invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. When you invest in these assets, you earn money through dividends or interest payments. Rent out a property. When you rent out a property, you earn money from the rent payments. Start a business that generates passive income. This could be a blog, an online course, or a software product. Create an online course. You can teach people about a skill or topic that you're passionate about. Once your course is created, you can sell it online and earn passive income from the sales. Start a blog. You can write about your interests or expertise and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Create an app. If you have a great idea for an app, you can develop it and sell it in the App Store. Once your app is published, you can earn passive income from the App Store fees and in-app purchases. Invest in real estate. You can buy rental properties and earn passive income from the rent payments. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate. Start a franchise. If you're looking for a turnkey business opportunity, you can start a franchise. Franchises typically come with a proven business model and support system, which can make it easier to generate passive income. YouTube video ads. If you have a popular YouTube channel, you can earn money through advertising. Advertisers will pay you to show their ads before, during, or after your videos. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or website, you can earn money by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. These are just a few ideas for generating passive income. There are many other possibilities out there, so be creative and find something that you're passionate about. With hard work and dedication, you can create a passive income stream that will help you achieve financial freedom. Additional tips for generating passive income. Choose the right passive income streams for you. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require more work than others, and some have higher risks. It's important to choose passive income streams that are a good fit for your skills, interests, and risk tolerance. Do your research. Before you invest in any passive income stream, make sure you do your research and understand the risks and rewards. This will help you avoid making any costly mistakes. Start small. You don't have to invest a lot of money to start generating passive income. Even a small investment can make a big difference over time. Be patient. Passive income takes time to build. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be persistent. It takes hard work and dedication to generate passive income. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Keep working hard and eventually you will achieve your goals. I hope this video has given you some insights on how to generate passive income. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and business. Thanks for watching.